this is my part-time, guys. Since I don't have work today, they cancel my work today. I have a part-time, so this is what I'm gonna do. Putting some salt, a pail of salt in the sidewalk.
Beautiful! Hey! Who's enjoying herself?
I'll do it. This is my part-time.
Woo!
He's gonna pay me later.
It's okay. It's nice.
Ayan, naglalagay tayo ng asin, guys, kasi sobrang kapal ng isda ngayon. A heavy snowstorm. It's 15 to 25 centimeter. Expecting today in the DPA. Diba? Whoa, it's very nice, guys. So this is what the weather looks like. I hope there's a bus running. So they cancel my work today and I have a part-time. There you go. Rock salt. Ayan ang rock salt. Melt snow and ice. Ayan si Mr. Oh. Naglalagay ng salt. Saan pa? Dito sa ano? Ramp? Sa baba? Sa one? Okay, so today is a very heavy snowstorm. Buses are canceled. So it's a good day. It's a good day, guys. And I received an email this morning that I supposed to start at noon. But then they changed the plan. Oh, no work Thursday. Yoo-hoo. Diba? So ako lang ngayon dito. Ang mga bata ay walang lumabas. Diba? Saan na ba yung sasakyan ng aking yung anak ko nasa baba siguro sa parkingan sa baba. Ayan yung aking mark. Ay wala. Pati yung sasakyan ng asawa ko nasa baba. So more salt here para just in case mapupuno naman itong driveway paakyat ay may extrang salt. So expecting 15 to 25 centimeter of snow today until this afternoon. How is that, guys? How is that? Yes, so walang pasok ang mga bata sa school. And mostly, buses are delayed. School buses are canceled as well. So, ayun, masaya ang mga bata ngayon. Diba? Anyway, this is the weather. Pag winter, guys, weather talaga yung pagdating ng snow. It's not coming always, or it's not snowstorm every day or every week. But if it's gonna come, it's like this. Sometimes it's really worse. Ayan. Alright. Thank you, guys. So, ako yung maglalakad. Pupunta ako doon sa Tim Hortons. Bibili ako ng breakfast. Alright, everyone. Hope you guys enjoy my video. So, I have a part-time today. Putting some salt in the driveway or in the sidewalk dito. Ayan ang aking part-time today. O, diba? Alright, guys. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone. And see you on my next vlog.